Now, next we'll come to disproportion reaction. We have got different type of reaction. That is your double displacement reaction, double decomposition reaction. So many reaction we are having it that we have studied already in the lower classes. Now, this is a new type of reaction, disproportion reaction. Now, what is a disproportion reaction? First, you write the definition. The reaction in which an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. The reaction in which an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced are called disproportion reaction. Means a particular element in a particular oxidation state is there, it is simultaneously oxidized also and reduced also. Means the same compound is oxidized and reduced both. That is called as or the same element is oxidized and reduced both. That is said to be as a disproportion reaction. For example, you see here, that is 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Let us find the oxidation number. Here hydrogen peroxide, mind it, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Hydrogen is +1 and oxygen is -1. Mind it, it's hydrogen peroxide. I said in the rules. Here hydrogen is +1, oxygen is -2, and here oxygen is 0. So you can see it changes from -1 to 0. So it is oxidized. It is increasing. And here it changes from -1 to -2. It is decreasing. Oxidation number is decreasing. It is reduced. So when the same element is oxidized as well as reduced, got it, in a particular oxidation state, we can say that. So it is known as what? Disproportion reaction. That is called as a disproportion reaction. In this way, many more reactions we can give it with phosphorus when it reacts in alkaline medium in presence of water. It forms PH3 and H2PO2, we can say that. That is also a disproportion reaction, we can say. Chlorine when reacts in presence of a basic medium. Basic medium means NaOH, KOH in this way. It forms, that is, if it reacts with KOH, then it is going to form potassium chlorate and potassium chloride and water, we can say that. So that is a disproportion reaction, we can say that. Alright, chlorine when reacts with KOH, aqueous. Alright, it forms potassium chlorate, potassium chloride and water. It is also a disproportion reaction. You can find it out and see that chlorine is getting simultaneously oxidized as well as reduced. In one case it is oxidized, other case it is reduced. It is known as a disproportion reaction, so to say. So in this way, there are several reactions are there which undergoes disproportion reaction. Means the same element gets simultaneously oxidized as well as reduced. We can say that. So this particular reaction you are not knowing, I said you just about it. Now, there are two ways by which we can balance a particular reaction. One is your oxidation number method. Another is your ion electron method. Got it? There are two methods by which you can balance a particular reaction, we can say that. Any reaction, we can say. That is oxidation number method and ion electron method. If none of the method is given in the exam, simply it is asked to balance. You can balance in any way. But if it is asked that you balance it by oxidation number method, then you have to go for it only. Or if it is asked that you balance by ion electron method, then you have to go for it only. You don't have any option there in that case. Got it? So I am going to tell you both the methods now. Got it? Both the methods I am telling. I am going to tell you that how I am going to, what you can say, balance it. Both the method I am going to tell you now to you. So the first I am coming is your oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. First I am going to tell you that one. So that is Cu plus HNO3. Let us see. We will give you CuNO3 whole twice plus NO plus water. In one of the reactions you will get nitric oxide. In some other reactions also you may get nitrogen dioxide depending upon whether the nitric acid is dilute or concentrated. Got it? Mind it. In some reactions you may get nitrogen dioxide also. In some reactions you may get nitric oxide also. It depends whether the nitric acid is dilute or concentrated. So don't get confused. Fine. So the first step is that we need to find the oxidation number. We need to find. So Cu is equal to 0 here. Hydrogen is +1. Definitely you will find it out and see. Oxygen is -2, so it will be +5. Alright, how it is I will show you. See here, one I will show you. 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 1 plus x, nitrogen is x and oxygen is -2. So 3 oxygen minus 6, whole thing is equal to 0 because neutral, it's a compound. So x you solve it, you will be getting what? plus 5. So in this way you got plus 5. I hope you understood that how I am getting it. So here copper is plus 2, nitrogen is plus 5, oxygen is minus 2. Oxygen minus 2, nitrogen plus 5, copper is plus 2. Here in case of nitric oxide it is neutral, so nitrogen plus 2, oxygen minus 2. Water, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. It's clear. So in this way, now it's clear. So in this way you can see I found the oxidation number of all the elements. I found it out. So first step is over. Now we'll see which is getting oxidized and which is getting reduced. We'll see it now. So here copper, it changes from 0 to plus 2. So it is oxidized by 2. From 0 to plus 2 it is oxidized by 2. Now nitrogen, from plus 5 to plus 2 it becomes. It is reduced. Oxidation number is reduced here. Here the oxidation number is increased. Here the oxidation number is reduced. So I have the space little bit only here. So I am writing it in this way. Here only I am writing it. Reduced by how much? 3. From plus 5 to plus 2 it is reduced by 3. I have written 3 here. This one is 3. This one is 3. Reduced by 3. It is reduced by 3. This is oxidized by 2. So what I should do is that, generally what I should do is that I should multiply the alternate number to it. Means with this half reaction I will multiply with 3. And with this half reaction, this and this half reaction I will multiply with 2. Alternate number I will multiply it. Got it? Let us do it. So 3Cu plus 2HNO3 gives 3CuNO3 whole twice plus, that is 2NO plus H2. H2 will leave it because it is neither oxidized nor reduced. So generally we do that. See, but keeping in mind, very important point I am saying you, but keep in mind, you must see by doing so, you are balancing the equation. You are not disbalancing it. You are balancing it. Got it? Mind it, this particular one. In this step, we are, that is multiplying with opposite numbers. The oxidation half and the reduction half, we are multiplying with opposite numbers. But by doing so, you need to remember that you are balancing it. You are not disbalancing it. You are balancing the equations. By doing so, the equation is getting balanced. Means you are moving forward. Got it? Clear? So that you need to understand it. Now, if you find that it is balanced, got it? So, that it is balanced, then it's okay. If it is not balanced, then you have to balance it by heat and trial method. Let us see whether it's balanced or not. 3Cu balanced. 2 hydrogen balanced. Then 2 nitrogen, here it is how many? 2 into 3, 6 nitrogen. Plus 2, 8 nitrogen. Got it? Plus 2, 8 nitrogen together. Is it balanced? Should I put 2 or should I put 8? Definitely I should put 8 now. Because here it is how much you got? 2, 3 is 6 plus 2, 9, 8. So hence why should I put 2 here? I will put 8. I will rub it and I will put 8. Because what I am saying, I am balancing it. Mind it. That you should keep in your mind. You will apply the rules. But the rules has to be applied in such a manner so as to balance it. Repeatedly I am using this word. Got it? So now next. Now it is, you can see nitrogen is balanced. Now hydrogen is how much it is? 8 here. So definitely I have to put here 4 H2O. Now it is, what is that? Heat and trial method I am doing it. Alright, after doing it. If it is balanced by that way, by multiplying alternate number, it's okay. If it is not done, then I have to balance it by heat and trial method. Fine. So now hydrogen, it is becoming 8 balanced, 4 to 8. Nitrogen balanced, done. 8 3s are 24. Oxygen is. Here oxygen is 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So everything is balanced. This is known as oxidation number method. It's easy. It's not at all difficult. The thing you have to keep it in your mind that you are balancing it. The first find the oxidation number. Then you see it is getting oxidized or reduced, which is getting oxidized and which is getting reduced, by how much it is getting oxidized, how much it is getting reduced. Then you multiply the alternate number. But when you are multiplying it, you must know, remember it that you are balancing it. Got it? By that numbers. Got it? And if it is not required, don't multiply it. Got it? Then it will be balanced. Then after that, if it is not balanced, balance it by hit and trial method as I have done it. Alright. So this is your oxidation number method by which I have balanced what you can say the reaction. Now I will come to the next method is your ion electron method. The ion electron method. Now in ion electron method we are having two things. We are having one is acidic medium, another is basic medium. In acidic medium you balance it in presence of H plus ions, and in basic medium you balance it in presence of OH minus ions. Both are same. H plus OH minus, little bit difference is there. Got it? While balancing it. Otherwise your ultimately when you are balancing in acidic medium, got it? Your answer should come H plus, either in the reactant or in the product side. And in basic medium, you will get the answer in which OH minus ion should be there, either in the reactant or the product side. Now, let us see it here. So, Cr2O7 2 minus plus C2O4 2 minus, we can say that, give Cr3 plus CO2 plus water. Alright? So Cr3 plus CO2 plus water. So in this way we got this particular reaction. The first step is same thing. Go for what you can say finding out the oxidation number. This is your ion electron method. I have to balance in which medium? Mind it. Acidic medium. I have to balance it. This equation. I need to balance it. That means in finally the answer should come in H plus ion. Means everything should be there and H plus ion also will be there. When H plus ion is there means it is acidic medium. I said you. And if OH minus ion will be there in the final equation means that is your basic medium. Done. So Cr2O7 2 minus. So chromium I will find it out. So 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2 because it is minus 2. 2x I need to find for chromium. So 2x minus 14, oxygen is minus 2. Minus 2 into 7 minus 14 is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 12, x equal to 6. So we got it 6 and this is minus 2. C2O4, same thing, let us find it out. 2x minus 8 is equal to minus 2. This 2x, carbon 2, so 2x, oxygen minus 8 is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to, we got it as this one 6, x is equal to, we will get it as 3. So it is nothing but this is 3 and this is minus 2. It's already there, Cr3 plus, it is there already. Carbon, it will be plus 4, oxygen is minus 2. Hydrogen is plus 1, oxygen is minus 2. So what you see is that, let me rub this acidic medium. What you see is there, plus 6, it becomes 3 plus. So it is reduction. This is reduction. Now this one is plus 3, it becomes plus 4. You can see this one is becoming plus 4. So this is oxidation. Here I don't require any number that how much is oxidized and how much is reduced. That number I don't require. That is there in oxidation number method. So this is oxidation. Plus 3, you can see it is plus 4. So it is oxidation. Here it is plus 6, it is plus 3, it is reduction. Now I will balance it. Half I will balance it. So first let me go for Cr2O7 2 minus 2 Cr3 plus. Half I will balance it. First reduction half medium, reduction half reaction, then oxidation half reaction. So Cr2, first I will balance the chromium. So chromium is 2. I will put it here 2. Now to balance oxygen, what I need to do is that I have to add same number of molecules of water on the opposite side. So here 7 oxygen is there. So I will add 7 water on the opposite side. 7 water. So 7 oxygen done. By putting 7 water, hydrogen becomes 14. 7 to the 14. So here no hydrogen is there. So it is 14H plus I will put it. Because I have to balance in acidic medium. So H plus ion has to be there. So 14H plus. Understood? 7 oxygen, so 7 water. If 5 oxygen, 5 water. 10 oxygen, 10 water. Same number of water. So after that, same number of hydrogen on the opposite side. Clear? Now, next is, you are balancing it. Mind it. Not disbalancing. Now, everything is balanced. Chromium balance, hydrogen balance, oxygen balance. Now I have to balance the charge. Here the total charge is minus 2. Here, minus 2. Here the total charge is 14 into plus 1, it is plus 14. So plus 14 minus 2, it is total, it comes to be as plus 12. Here the total charge is plus 6. Here the total charge is 0. Got it? So either I can add 6 to this particular side or I can minus 6 this side. I can do because it becomes 6 6 both sides. I have to make it. Either I will add 6 Got it? This side, or I will subtract minus 6, this side 12 minus 6 will become 6, isn't it? So if I am subtracting it, better is to subtract. So it is 6e minus, because plus into minus is minus, minus 6 it becomes, isn't it? Plus into minus, minus. See, plus into plus, plus. Here nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus is minus. Understood? Very simple. It is simple maths. So it is nothing but I got it as balanced. See here. The charge is balanced, hydrogen, oxygen, everything is balanced. Now this is known as what? Reduction half reaction. Now next, after that, C2O4 2 minus gives CO2. C2O4 2 minus gives CO2. Now first carbon I have to balance it. Always remember that leaving behind oxygen and hydrogen, you balance the other atoms. Leaving behind oxygen and hydrogen, you balance the other atoms. So here 2 carbon, so first 2. Balanced. So 2 carbon, 4 oxygen. 2 carbon, 4 oxygen. So it is already balanced. Only to add water, this, that. Now here minus 2. Here it is 0. Total charge is what here? This side 0. Neutral. Here it is minus 2. So I have to add plus 2. So minus 2e minus. For adding, I have to subtract it. For subtracting, I have to plus it. See here. Plus into minus is minus. For that purpose, I am adding. Because ultimately it is subtracted. And here I have to subtract. So I am, what I can say, I have to add. So what I have to do is that I am subtracting it. Minus into minus it is plus. Understood? Clear? So minus into minus it is plus. So plus 2 minus 2. 0. Cancel. So it is oxidation half reaction. It is balanced. Oxidation reduction half, they are balanced. Now I'll add it up. I'll add it. But while adding, you must see that the total number of electrons should be the same in both. Here it is plus 6, it is minus 2. So this equation I'll multiply it throughout by 3. 3 I'll multiply because 3 into minus 2 it becomes minus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Equation has to be same. So that you have to keep in your mind. How to do it same? By multiplying the numbers. Now I'll add it simply. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 3, remember it, 3 I multiplied, 3 C2O4 2 minus. Alright, anything else is there? No, this side is over. Now 2Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 3 to the 6 CO2. Everything is done. Let us see whether it is balanced or not. Let us check it. We can do it now. Chromium 2, balanced. Oxygen 7. 4 3 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. Here also same thing, 7, 6 2 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. Hydrogen is 14, hydrogen is 7 2 14. Here carbon is 6, here also carbon is 6. Now let us see the charge. Here the charge is minus 2 plus 14 is plus 12. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. So total charge is 6 here. Here also 2 into 3 is 6. This is neutral. So it is balanced. So in this way you can see what I said you, it will balance by H plus ion. See, H plus ion is there. So it is acidic medium. In this way you are balancing in acidic medium. This is how to balance in acidic medium, so to say. Now next we will see how to balance in basic medium. I hope you understood acidic medium. Now we will see how to balance in basic medium. This sort of equation only I will take it. And then balance in basic medium so that you will get a clear cut idea. Similar sort of equation I will take. Similar sort of. Let us say I am taking here, there is CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 minus gives Cr O4 2 minus plus I minus. This is basic medium. Same thing, Cr, I'll find it out. X, here you know OH is minus 1, you know that. So X minus 3 is equal to 0. The X equal to 3. So I get it, chromium is 3, oxygen is minus 2, hydrogen is plus 1. IO3 minus, I'll find it out. I'll take it as X. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 equal to minus 1. So it becomes, this side, so it's plus 6 minus 1 is plus 5. So I is plus 5, oxygen is minus 2. Cr, here it is chromium, I'll take it as X. Minus 8 is equal to minus 2. X, oxygen is minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 is equal to minus 2. The X equal to, how much it is? 6. plus 6, here it is minus 2. Here it is already minus 1 is there. So what you see is there plus 3 to plus 6, it is oxidized. And I plus 5 to minus 1, it is reduced. Leave it this one, basic medium. Let me rub it so that you will not be confused. So again same thing, I will balance it differently. First CrOH whole thrice gives CrO4 2 minus. I am taking this one, oxidation part. Now chromium 1 balanced. Here 3 oxygen, here 4 oxygen. So to balance it, I will do here OH minus because I need to balance in basic medium. So here 3 plus 1, 4 oxygen balanced, here 4 oxygen. Now here how many hydrogen? Here 3 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. So hence to balance hydrogen, I have to do 4 water. Immediately on the opposite side, I will do 4 OH minus. As many water, listen carefully here in basic medium, as many water you are adding it in one side, on the opposite side that many OH minus ion you will be adding it to balance it. As many water, here you see 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen. So 4 hydrogen, I put here 4 water. Immediately the same number of OH minus ion I will balance it, I will put it on the opposite side, then only it will be balanced. You see it is balanced or not, see? When atoms, not the charges, atoms. See it. Chromium 1, chromium balanced. Oxygen 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 8. Here it is 4 plus 4, 8 oxygen. Here hydrogen is 8, here hydrogen you can see 4, 1, 5, 3, 8. See, it is balanced. Understood? As many water you are adding it on the opposite side to balance the hydrogen, that many OH minus ion will put it on the other side. So that it will be balanced. This is only the difference between H plus and OH minus ion. Alright, means in acidic and basic medium. Now I will balance the electrons, the charge. Here it is minus 1, here it is minus 4. Plus into minus minus. So minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Here it is minus 2. So what will I do? Here I will, that is minus 3 minus. So see here, minus into minus it is plus 3. Here it is minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 it is minus 2. Balanced. Again I repeat, see here. Minus 1 plus into minus, it is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1, it's this one. This one is how much? Minus 5. And this is minus into minus, it is plus. So plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is how much? Minus 2. Here also it is minus 2. Balanced. Alright. So this is known as oxidation half reaction. This one is. Now IO3 minus 2. I minus. Now here 3 oxygen. So what will I do? Here I will put it. Here I will put it 3 OH minus. 3 oxygen. So 3 OH minus. Now how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So what will I do? 3 water. So what should I do in the opposite side? Again 3 OH minus. I will put it on the opposite side. Why? Because 3 water means 3 OH minus. N water means N OH minus. That remember it always. Finish. This much only you need to remember. Now here it is minus 1. The charge now will balance. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus 6, minus 1, minus 7. Here it is minus 1 only. So what will I do? Plus 6E minus. Plus into minus it is minus 6. Here minus 1. Plus into minus it is minus 1. Minus 6. Minus 1 it is minus 1. Understood? See, plus into minus, minus 6. Don't think it is plus into how it is coming. Plus into minus it is minus 6. Minus 6, minus 1, minus 7. Here also it is, see, plus into minus it is minus 3. Plus into minus it is minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. And here minus 1, minus 7. Balanced both the side. So this is reduction half reaction. Again same thing. I will add it both. But here it is 6 and here it is 3. So this equation I will multiply with 2. 2 into minus 3, it is minus 6 plus 6, gone. So now next 2 CrOH whole thrice plus, now here it is 5 OH minus. See here, 5 OH, 5 into 2, 10 OH minus. This side, reactant side 10 OH minus. And the product side we got, that is 6 OH minus. Here 6 and here 10. 2 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 10 OH minus, 6 OH minus. It is 4 OH minus more. That I will write it. Now, nothing is there. Now here IO3 minus. Here it is 8 water. 4 into 2. Product side 8 water, reactant side 3 water. So it is 5 water more. So I have written 5 water. Plus 2 CrO4 2 minus. then plus I minus. Okay. Now let us see whether it's balanced or not. 2 chromium balanced. Oxygen 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. Here let us see 5, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 5 13 balanced. Hydrogen 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. Hydrogen it is nothing but 5 to the 10. Now what more is left? Iodine is 1 balanced. Charge, let us see. Charge is plus into minus, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Here it is nothing but 2 into CrO4 2 minus. Yes, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 balanced. And it is basic medium, so it is OH minus. So in this way you will balance it in acidic medium and basic medium, that is ion electron method. I hope you understood. Thank you.